This conference will now be recorded.
So in the previous session, we have discussed about email templates. These are also called as communication templates in Salesforce, which is used to prepare the required subject and the content which can be used to send the email notifications to the required people based on the need. So upon sending the email notifications from Salesforce, so what subject you would like to deliver and what content you want to deliver, that we can specify in the form of an email template. We should be ready with the email template first. Once the template is ready, we can specify the automation rule. Then how can we send the email notifications? We'll see manual with automation. Manual, we will see today how to send the email notification to the people. That means once the email template has been getting prepared with the required subject and the content, how can we test it? Whether it is sending the email notification properly or not. Whatever the subject and whatever the content we have specified, the exact subject and content will be delivering to the people or not, I would like to test it. So that how can we test this email templates, we'll see practically today. And once it is done, how to send the email notifications automatically, how to send the emails automatically to the required people, we'll see in next weekend. Okay, now, so one more thing. So now we are having this automation rules concept here. Okay, we have automation rules concept. Automation rules will take, okay, 4 sessions completely, 3 to 4. Okay, 3 to 4 sessions. Okay, I can't assure that within 3 sessions I will complete. If I'm taking some more use cases, I would it would go into that 4 sessions also. So next Saturday, Sunday, no holiday, and then 31st also no holiday. So till 31st of this month, we don't have any holiday. Continuously we are having the sessions. Okay, because I would like to complete the admin part by, okay, 5th of January 5th. I would like to complete that admin part. From 6th onwards, I would like to start development. Okay, because we have started. Okay, by that time it will be having exactly 2 months. Okay, now, so we have started on November 6th, right? The batch has started November 6th. So January 6th will be the, okay, the last date. 5th will be the last. From January 6th, I will start the development sessions. Okay, now. So please plan accordingly based on this. Now, so that already we have discussed in the previous session. So what exactly in email template and what it contains, and what exactly standard email template, what is custom email template, and upon creating the email template, what kind of folders are available, what standard folders that we have, and how to create our own custom folders to store the email templates. Yesterday we have discussed with practical. Now, so today we'll see how to create email templates. We'll see the practical concepts today. So whenever we are creating the email templates in Salesforce by our own, because whatever the standard email templates given by Salesforce, if those are not suitable for your business requirement, we can create our own email templates also with the required subject, with the required content. So, what subject you would like to deliver, what content you want to deliver to the people, that we can specify inside the email template. So once the template is ready, then just we can use the template, we can send the email notification to the people to whomever you want. So in this case, while creating these email templates in Salesforce, we have four types are available. Salesforce provides four types of email templates as part of classic part. As part of classic, we have four types of email templates. In Lightning, we have only one type. Okay, only one type. Now, so what are those four types? Okay, we'll see. The first one, upon creating the email template, the first type of template is plain text type of template, or this is simply called as text type of template, plain text. Second one, HTML by using letterhead. Okay, HTML by using letterhead. Third one, custom without using letterhead. Okay, custom without using letterhead. Fourth one, Visual Force. Okay, Visual Force. These are the four types of email templates. We have plain text type of template, HTML template, custom template, Visual Force template. These are the four types of available. But all the four types are not required right now. I will show you two types of template because in Lightning we have only one type, that is plain text. Okay, but I will go back to classic part. In classic, I will show you two types of templates. First one, plain text. Here I will go with two scenarios again. First one, static subject, static content. In the second use case, I will show you dynamic subject, dynamic content by using merge fields. Then in the second scenario, I will show you how to prepare HTML type of email template and how to prepare our own letterheads through Salesforce, how to use that letterhead to send the email notifications. We'll see. Okay, two scenarios I will show you with practical as well. Okay, remaining two types are not required right now. So that here I would like to leave those two things. Okay, two types of template I will show you with practical. Okay, now. So why I'm creating this email templates in classic part is, if I'm creating an email template in classic, that email template we can use in classic also, lighting also. In both the places we can use. No need to upgrade nothing. Okay, no need to upgrade nothing here. Just you can go to the classic part, create an email template, use that template in classic part also, lighting part also. Both the places we can use. Suppose if you are creating an email template in Lightning experience, then that can be accessible only in Lightning, not in Classic. You can't access it in Classic here. That is a limitation. So no backward compatibility. So that I would like to show you how to create the email template in Classic. The same template we can use in Classic also, Lightning also both. Okay. Now make a note of this one. No. Upon creating email templates, Salesforce provides the below four types of email templates. First one, plain text type, or simply this is also called as a text type. Second one, HTML by using letterhead. Third one, custom without using letterhead. Fourth one, Visual Force. These are the four types of templates are available here. Then, how to create this email template? Now, let me explain the navigation first. In order to create the email template, we have to follow this navigation. Click on Setup menu, search for the option Email Templates in Quick Find box. Email Templates in Quick Find box. Go to the Email Templates section. Click on New Template button. Select the email template type from the radio buttons. Click on Next button. Click on Next button. Enter the email template label, comma name, and the description. Enter the email template label, name, and the description. Select the email template folder name from the pick list. Select the checkbox available for use. Available for use. Enter the email subject inside the text box. Enter the email content inside the text area control. Click on Save button. So this is the navigation we used to follow in order to create an email template in Salesforce Classic.
Excuse me, Feroz.
Yes.
Next 2 weeks also the same timeline.
Yeah, same timeline.
Okay.
Done with the navigation? Now, so let's come to that plain text type of email template. So what do you mean by plain text type of template? What did you understood with this word plain text type? Okay. Okay. Normal plain text. Okay, right. So whenever we are sending the email notification, we are specifying email subject, email content. These two. Subject will be always plain text. Okay. We can't apply any styles, colors for that subject. Subject will be always plain text. So whatever the content we are going to deliver, whatever the email body you are going to prepare, that email content we can make it look like attractive. So whatever the content that you want, that content we can able to make it look like rich by applying your own font, your own style, colors, animations, hyperlinks, images, pictures, everything we can able to include. But in this case, what will happen as part of this a plain text type of template? Now, whatever the email content we are going to prepare, the email content will be purely in the form of a normal plain text format. It doesn't have any attractive look and feel. It's purely plain text format, which it doesn't have any okay, font, color, size, style, hyperlinks, images, pictures, nothing. It's purely like as a normal notepad kind of content. White background, black text. That's it. So whenever if you want to send this kind of email notifications, like for example, let me go to my Gmail account. Now, when I go to some Gmail accounts which I have received, in so many places, okay, we might have received the email notification in the form of a plain text format. Like for example, so let me check few alerts. See, for example, I have received some email notification over here. I have received one email notification from the Axis Bank. So this is the email notification I have received here from the Axis Bank regarding my transaction here. So now here it is indicating this details over here. Okay, it is indicating the details. Dear customer, okay, we wish to inform you the so and so amount has been credited from your account, okay, from the so and so account number on so and so date and so time because of some okay loan EMI over. So now they are indicating this details over here. Now tell me this email content is looking like as what? Do we have any images inside this? Pictures, color, font, style, hyperlinks, nothing. It's purely like as a normal plain text kind of content. So whenever if you want to send this kind of plain text kind of content to the required people, then select the email template type as plain text type. Okay, so plain text type of email template means whatever the email content you are going to deliver, because subject is always plain text. It may be any email application, whatever the email subject we are going to prepare, email subject will be always a plain text here. We can't apply any color for the plain subject content. So whatever the email content we are going to deliver, for that content, we can do some makeup also. By using this makeup toolkit, we can apply the makeup also to make it look like attractive. So in that case, if you want to send the email content to the people with the plain text format, then we can go with the help of an email template called as plain text type of email template, which it doesn't have any attractive look and feel. It will have purely like as a normal notepad kind of content, which will be visible with a white background, black text. For this content, we don't have any font, no color, no size, no style, no hyperlinks, no images, no alignments, no bullet formats, nothing. Purely plain text kind of content here. Okay? Understand the concept now? Now, let's see. Make a note of this one. By using this template type, we can send the email notification to the people with the plain text format of email content. That is, we can't apply any font, comma, style, size, color, alignments, hyperlinks, images, pictures inside the email content. That is, email content will be visible only in white background and black text. Now, then how can we prepare this kind of email template? Okay, let me show you with a practical. So we know the navigation also here. By using this navigation, how to prepare this email template, okay, we'll see with the practical use case, and how to test this email template, whether it is delivering the content properly or not, we'll see. Done with these points? Now, let's take a small use case. How can we prepare the email template? Configure a plain text type of email template to notify the lead person upon creating a new lead record. Configure a plain text type of email template to notify the lead person upon creating a new lead record inside the lead object. For example, we have conducted a campaign last week. During that campaign, so many lead people showed interest in our product or services. So the marketing people has collected those leads. That lead records they're creating inside my lead object. Once a lead record has been created in my lead object, I want to send one email notification to the lead person. Dear lead person, thanks for showing your interest in our product or services. And we have created your lead record in our database, and one of our salesperson will contact you shortly. So I want to send some notification to the people here. Then, so in this case, to send this kind of notification, I want to prepare an email template with the required subject and with the required content. Okay. Now, so what subject you would like to prepare? What content you would like to prepare? Let me prepare here itself. Directly, we can copy and paste inside my email template. Okay. Now, email subject. I want to indicate congratulations. Your lead record has been created successfully. This is the email subject. Email content. I want to indicate, dear prospect, thanks for showing your interest in our organization products and services. We are pleased to inform you that your prospect record has been created in our database for the future reference. One of our salesperson or one of our relationship manager will contact you shortly. Now, please contact on the below address if any queries. I'm indicating this is a system generated email, so please do not reply. Thanks and regards. Now I would like to specify personal loans department, ICICI Bank, and I would like to specify contact us +1 800 678 3322. Email us loans@icicibank.com. Visit us icicibank.com. This is the email content I would like to deliver to the people. Done with this? Now, let's see how can we create this email template now. Done everyone? Now. So let's go with the navigation, how to prepare the email template. So let me go to my Salesforce Arc. I'm going to my Salesforce Arc now. Now go to the Salesforce Classic mode, click on Setup menu, and then you can go to the Quick Find box. Or else, go to the Administer menu in the left panel. In this Administer menu, we have an option called as Communication Templates. Inside this Communication Templates option, we have an option called as Classic Email Templates. Okay, we have an option Classic Email Templates. Any one of these you can use. Go to the Classic Email Templates. Now I'm verifying that what email templates are available by default. Yesterday we have verified, we have created these two folders yesterday over here. Now, so now I'm selecting unfiled public classic email templates folder. In this folder, we are having so many email templates are available by default, which has been given by Salesforce. When you observe this email templates, it is indicating this. We can able to customize this email template. We can remove these email templates also. Even though these are standard, we can remove them. That facility is available in Salesforce. And then this is the email template name, and this is the template type. What type of template it is? Is it a plain text type of template or HTML template, custom type, Visual Force type? What type of template it is, it will be indicating inside this field. So these are the custom type of email templates over here. Then when you come down here, it is indicating these are plain text type of email templates over here. Now here it is indicating available for use. So whatever the template that we have configured, whether this email template can be used to send the email notification, or is it a deprecated one? Deprecating means the old one, okay, which are outdated one here. No, this is not a deprecated one. This is available to use. So whether people can use this email template to send the notifications or not. To indicate that we are using this checkbox available for use. This is the description of the email template. This is the order here. This is the order. And then it is indicating last modified date and time. Now I want to create a new template. So click on new template button. As soon as once you click on this new button, it will ask you to select the template type. What type of template you would like to create? You want to create a plain text type of template, or HTML, or custom, or Visual Force. Now I want to go with the text type. Click on next button. Now here we can specify the email template details. With what name you want to create the email template, we can specify. Now here I'm indicating the folder name. I'm selecting the folder here. By default, it is populating so many folders. That means these are the two standard, two custom folders which we have created yesterday. Now I want to make this email template to be visible to all the users in my organization. So I'm placing inside this, okay, unfiled public classic email templates folder. This is a public folder given by Salesforce. Make the email template to be available for use. If this checkbox is selected, then only we can use this email template to send the notifications to the people. If the checkbox is not selected, email template will be available, but we can't use them to send the email notification to the people here. So it will be like as a deprecated or outdated feature. Now, specify the email template name. I want to give the email template name is new lead record creation notification template. New lead record creation notification template. You can give any name, whatever you want. Now the unique name will be preparing by Salesforce. I'm giving the description here. New lead record creation notification template. Whatever the name that I have given for the template, the same name I have given inside the description also over here. Now specify the email subject and the email content. What subject you would like to deliver, what content you want to deliver, we can able to specify. Already we are ready with the subject and the content. So this is the email subject which we have prepared over here. Let me copy and paste the subject over here. There is the email subject. Email body, that means email content. This is the email content which we have prepared. There is the email content. Now we can do the required alignments, whatever you want. Now I'm done with my email template preparation here. My email template is ready. So now this is a subject, this is the content I want to deliver to the people here. We have specified all these details over here. Once you are done with this specifying the email subject and the content, then click on save button. Email template will be getting prepared. Okay, clear about the navigation? Simple navigation here. Just we can go to the email template section, click on new template button, select that, okay, email template type, click on next button, enter the email template details along with subject and the content. Click on save button. Now my email template will be getting created successfully. This is the name which we have specified for the email template here. Now, when you come down here, we can see this is the email subject we have specified. This is the email content which we have prepared over here for my email template. Clear? Understand the concept now? Next. So now we are done with this email template creation. Now I want to test it. Because from the beginning of this implementation, every feature we are testing. It may be application also, objects also, fields also, features also, anything. Once you are done with the development, then we have to test it whether it is working as per the customer's expectations or not. So we need to check it out. So without testing, then how can we deliver to the customer? So for that reason, I want to test whether it is working properly or not. Whether it is sending the email notification to the specified people with the required subject and the content or not, I would like to test it. Then how can we test this email template? Now let's see. Let me give the navigation here. Testing process. How can we test the email template? Now let me show you. Go to the email templates section, click on the email template name to be get tested. Go to the detail page of email template. Click on send test and verify merge fields button. Click on send test and verify merge fields button. Select the checkbox send email preview to. Enter the email address inside the text box and click on OK button. The observation is it will send the email notification to the specified email address with the specified subject and content. Done with the navigation? Done, everyone? Now, let's see. So let's go to the email templates here. Click on classic email templates. Now we can see our email template also, which we have created. So this is the email template which we have prepared just now. So which is of type text to type, which is available for use to send the email notification. Just you can click on this email template name. Now this is the email template details. When you come down here, we are having this a button called as send a test and verify major fields button. Click on this send a test and verify major fields button. Now it will show you a small dialog box. Now click on this send a test and verify major fields button. It provides a dialog box. In this dialog box, we can specify your email ID. To which email ID you would like to send a test copy. This is only for testing purpose here. Okay, this is not the way we are going to use to send the emails to the people. We are going to automate, but this is only for testing purpose here. Now, so in this case, just you can specify the email ID to whom you want to send the email notification, okay, the test copy, and then select the checkbox over here, send the email preview to. Okay, please send a copy of the email notification to this particular email ID here. So select the checkbox. I'm giving my email ID over here. Now click on OK button. As soon as once you click on this OK button, it will send the email notification to the specified email ID automatically here. Let me test it here. I'm going back to my inbox. Let me check whether I have received email notification or not. See, so it is going to that spam over here because I have used that some lead record notification. Now we have received this email notification over here. I'm going back to the inbox. So this is the email notification which we have received. So now here it is indicating this, congratulations, your lead record has been created successfully. Whatever the subject we have specified, the subject has been delivered, and whatever the content we have prepared, the whole content has been delivered to the people automatically here. So what subject you want to send, what content you want to send, that we can specify over here. Depends upon the subject and the content, email will be getting delivering to that specified email ID automatically by default over here. Clear? Understood the concept here? Now. So now tell me in this case here, as part of this email template, whatever the subject we have specified, that is plain text, content also purely looking like as a normal plain text. Okay, we don't have any colors and the font and the style and image, nothing. It's purely plain text format. Okay, understood the concept now? Next. So this is how we can prepare a plain text kind of, okay, email template with a static subject with a static content. Suppose if I'm sending the email notification to 100 people, for all the people it will send same subject, same content. Okay, no change at all. But now I want to make it dynamic. I want to pass some different subject, different content to the people. Then how can we make this content dynamic? Now let's see. For that one, we are using the help of a feature called as merge fields. Merge fields. These merge fields are also called as binding variables. Merge fields, these are also called as binding variables. Then what exactly the merge field? What is the use? Now let me explain. Now let me explain the scenario. For example, now let me check. For example here. So now let me check in this case. Now we are indicating this. This is the email subject and the content here. This is the email content I have received from the Axis Bank, okay, regarding my transaction. So when you look into this content here, they are indicating some details. They have given some information. Dear customer, we wish to inform you, and then this is the amount here. Okay, the amount has been debited because this is a transaction from your account number. They're indicating the details over here, date and time. So now for regarding that EMI facility here. Now the available balance also. Okay, available balance. So that means what in this case now tell me here, every time upon doing the transaction, I will do the transaction of the same amount 16,303 rupees. No. Sometimes I will do the transaction of 50 rupees also, 100 rupees also, 1000 rupees also, 2000 also, 5000 also, depends upon my requirement. Based on the items which I'm purchasing, I would like to do the transactions over here. Now, in that case, how these people are including my transaction details over here? How these people are including my transaction details here? How they're including this amount which I'm doing the transaction? They're including my account number also. They're including the date and time also. They're including the available balance also here. Then, how these people are including this one? Now, in this case, in order to include these transaction values in the recorded details, they are using the help of a feature called as merge fields. Okay, they're using the feature called as merge fields. Now, let me explain the concept here. For example, assume that we have an ICICI bank. So the bank is having so many customers who are utilizing that banking services. In order to store all the customers' data, they're having a table. Assume that this is the customer table. They're having a customer object. In this customer object, they're storing all the details of the customer, like the account number, that means the bank account number, name of the customer, transaction type, what type of transaction, is it debit or credit? They're indicating the balance amount and the recent transaction. Recently, how much transaction, okay, they did over here. They're indicating this details also. Now, I'm deleting this field. I don't want this. So this is a table. This is a customer table. I'm giving the table name as customer underscore underscore C. So now this is the customer table here. Inside this table, they're having this fields. This is the ID, sorry, the account number field, account number, customer name field, and then they're indicating transaction type. They're indicating the balance amount, balance, recent transaction, or transaction. I'm indicating the field name as RTrans, transaction amount. Or simply we can say T amount, transaction amount, how much amount that you have deposited or withdrawn. Now I'm indicating. So these are the fields are available here. Now I'm creating some customer records now. I'm creating few customer records. First customer account number 110901 okay 44506. Assume that this is a customer account number. Name is some Praveen Kumar. Now he is having the balance of some 20,000 rupees in his account here. Second customer 110901 okay 990. This is the second customer's account number. His name is some Kishore Kumar. He is having some 18,000 rupees of balance in his account. Third customer is 110901. So now 42889. His name is some Anand Kumar. He is having the balance 1,14,000 rupees. Okay, these are the customers are available here. Now these are the account numbers, the customer names, their balance amount values. So now today, for example, Kishore Kumar went to the bank. He has deposited 5,000 rupees. Okay, he has deposited 5,000 rupees here. So now in this case, what will happen? 5,000 will be added here. So what will be that amount here? What is the transaction he did now? What is the amount here? 5,000 here. This is the transaction amount here. So now here in this case, what type of transaction it is? Credited. Okay, it's a credit. So what is the balance value now? 23,000. So previously he is having 18,000 rupees of balance. Now he is having 23,000. Recently, just now he has credited 5,000 rupees amount. Now tell me, once the Kishore Kumar's account has been credited, we will be getting some notification, right? Yes, you will be getting one notification alert over here. Let's see. What is that notification alert? Now let me explain. He will be getting one notification alert over here to indicate that customer. It is giving the details over here. Now, dear customer, your account number ending with what it will represent 8990. So they're indicating here. Okay, 8990 has been credited with what? 5,000. Your net available balance is rupees 23,000. Clear? He is getting that SMS notification or email notification. Next. For example, just now, Praveen Kumar went to an ATM machine. He has withdrawn 7,000 rupees. Okay, he went to that ATM machine. He has withdrawn 7,000 rupees over here. Now, he has withdrawn 7,000 rupees from his account. Okay, because he is in need of some money, he has withdrawn. What is the transaction type? Debit. So now tell me, what is the balance? The balance amount value will be getting updated automatically here. So what is the balance value now? 13,000 rupees. So he will be having the balance value of 13,000. Whenever he is doing the transaction, he will be receiving one notification, right? Yes. What is the notification in that case? It will indicate, dear customer, your account number ending with, what is that here? 4506. Okay, 4506 has been debited with rupees what? 7,000. Your net available balance rupees, it will indicate 13,000 rupees. Okay, this is a message over here. Now tell me, in this case, both the messages are almost similar, right? When you observe these messages here, both the messages are similar, but except few differences over here. What is the difference here? Now the account number is different, transaction type is different, transaction amount is different, balance amount is different here. Except these four values here, okay, we are having this four values are different. Except these four values. The first one, your account number, second one, transaction type, third one, transaction amount, fourth one, your balance amount. Except these four, it remaining entire content will be same. Now, in this case, how they are preparing this kind of content over here? How they're sending this kind of notification? Not only when coming to the banking system, whenever we are reserving any movie ticket also, travel ticket also, you are getting the email notification. Inside that email, you are having your ticket details are also available, boarding point details, bus number also, contact number of the bus also, okay, the destination location, journey date, everything is available. How they're including all this information? In this case, in order to include this recorded data inside this email template, we are using the help of a feature called as merge fields. Merging means what? Including. That means inserting. What we are including here, the record content. This is the customer record content. This is the customer account number. This is the transaction type. This is the balance amount. And this is this transaction amount over here. So they are going to be collecting the record details. This record details are including inside that email template. They will send the notification to the people. Then, how they are going to be including here? In this case, they would like to use the help of a feature called as merge fields. How they are going to be preparing this merge fields? Now let's see. Now, when you look into this content over here, when you look into this content, okay, most of the content is similar except these values. Now this is different over here. Transaction type. Here is the balance here. Transaction amount and the balance amount. Except these four values, everything is same. No change at all here. Now, in this case, how they are going to be collecting these details over here? Okay, now let's see. They would like to collect that account number over here. The 4 digit of that account number they will collect. So here they might be having one more field also. They will collect one more field also here to indicate the last 4 digit of the account number. They will maintain a field here to store the last 4 digit of that account number. Four digits. What is the last 4 digit of this account number over here? For the first one, that is 4506. Second one, 8990. Third one, 2889. Okay, these are the last 4 digits. They will maintain a column. So now in this case, they are going to be collecting the data they would like to include. How they are including? Now let me show you over here. In this case, they will collect the transaction details over here. Now they're including this information. Here they would like to include last 4-digit number. In order to include that, they are using the merge field. Merge field will be getting represented with the help of curly braces. Curly braces is indicating this is a merge field. Here we have to specify an exclamation symbol. Exclamation symbol is indicating it's a dynamic assignment. Dynamically at runtime, collect that record value, include in this place over here. Now, so what record value we have to include? I want to include the record of object here. What is that object name here? Customer. In that customer record, which field value would like to include over here? 4 digits. Okay. So now we have to specify a curly braces. Curly braces is indicating this is a merge field. In this merge field, we have to specify exclamation symbol. Exclamation is indicating dynamic assignment. Dynamically at runtime, go to my customer object over here. In this customer object here, whatever the current record we have performed, that records go to that 4-digit field, collect that value, substitute in this place over here. This is the meaning of this merge field. Okay, we have to specify the object name and the field name. Because here you can raise a question, sir, in this customer object, so many records are available. How it will collect only that particular record? Whatever the current record you are operating, that record details it will collect over here. From that record, it will go to the 4 digits of field, it will collect that value, it will place inside that location automatically. Okay, clear? Next. The next one, transaction type. How can we include? Customer underscore C dot, what is that? Transaction type here. Next. Here, the transaction amount, what we can specify. Customer underscore C dot T amount. Next. Last one, balance. Customer underscore C dot balance. That's it. This is the email content they will prepare. Okay, so they're not only sending that the static subject and the static content, they are going to making the subject and the content dynamic. So for that one, they're using the help of this merge fields. As part of this merge fields are used to include the selected record content inside the email template so that we can make the content dynamic. So whatever the emails you are receiving or SMS notifications you are receiving from the banking systems also, movie ticket reservation, travel ticket reservation also, or it may be any other transaction which you did, like as making the payment of utility bills also, whatever the emails you have received, everything has been purely prepared with the help of merge fields only. This is the background concept here, nothing else. Just we have to include the selected record content details inside that merge field and we can send the email notification. Okay, understood the concept here? Then how can we include? We can now, let's see with the practical use case as well, how to test the functionality. I will show you here. Okay, now make a note of this one. Merge fields. This syntax is very important. Why? Because when moving forward, wherever you go, it may be Visual Force also, Lightning Framework also, similar kind of syntax will be there. When you go to that Lightning Framework also, you will be having the same kind of syntaxes will be available over there. Upon invoking the functions, we have to use that same syntaxes we have to use in multiple places also over here. So that here this merge field syntax is very important. Whenever we are enclosing the content in curly braces, that means it's a merge field here. In that merge field, we are using exclamation symbol. Exclamation is indicating it's a dynamic assignment. Dynamically at runtime, go to this particular object, collect the current record which we have performed the operation. In that record, go to this particular field, collect the value, place in this location here. This is the meaning of that, okay, merge field concept. Okay, now let's see. Make a note of this one. Merge fields. By using Medj fields, we can include the selected record content inside the email notification email template dynamically at runtime, dynamical runtime based on the need, so that we can make the email subject and content dynamic. Now, we can include the Medj fields in both the email subject and email content. We can include the Medj fields in both the email subject and in email content. Now the syntax. We can specify the object name dot field name. Don't enter field label, field name always. Okay, if it is a standard field, give the field name directly. If it is a custom field, specify that field name underscore underscore C. Okay, common. For example, account dot name field, account dot rating, account dot annual revenue, account dot active underscore underscore C. Hiring manager dot name, hiring manager dot location underscore underscore C. Designation, contact number, user dot first name, user dot last name, user dot is active, like that. We can include contact record details also. Contact dot first name, contact dot last name, contact dot email. Like that, here we can able to include the required objects Medj field into your email template to make this a subject and content dynamic.
Firoz, like where can we automate to send this notification in the system?
For that one, we have to use workflows or process builders, and then we can use Lightning Flow. That is the next topic here. Next weekend,
Oh,
we'll see.
okay. And during that, we will also see like so how would system recognize when which email template needs to be sent at what time, right? That top.
Yes, yes, yes.
Like as an end customer, we will have a feasibility to receive like an option to enable or disable to receive the notification, right? Even on our banking
Yes,
application.
yes,
So
yes,
same type, same logic applies here also.
yes, yes. Here also.
Okay.
Done with this? Now, so let's see how can we prepare an email template in order to send the email notification to a HR person. I want to create an email template in order to send the email notification to the HR person, okay, upon creating a new record. In that record, not only simply sending the static subject and static content, I want to include the HR person name and the details also inside the template. How to include these details? Okay, now let me show you with a practical. Now, take a small use case. Configure an email template to notify the hiring manager upon creating a new record. Upon creating a new record inside the object. Include the hiring manager details inside the email content. What subject you want to deliver, what content you want to deliver, that we can able to prepare. Upon preparation, we can specify that merge fields also. But in this case, you should be aware of the field names. Okay, field names. If you are feeling difficulty to prepare the merge field, I will show you one shortcut mechanism to you here. Okay, that will be preparing the Salesforce. Just you can copy and paste wherever you want. Done with this? Now let's see. Email subject. I would like to indicate congratulations hiring manager name. Like I would like to indicate congratulations Ram Kumar. Congratulations Praveen Kumar. Whatever the HR record that we are creating, that record name I would like to collect. For that one, I'm using the merge field hiring manager underscore underscore C dot name. I'm indicating welcome on board. I would like to specify the email subject will be congratulations the hiring manager name. That means upon creating the record, if the HR record name is some Ramesh Kumar, it will indicate congratulations Ramesh Kumar, welcome on board. Now the email content, I would like to specify dear hiring manager name, dear hiring manager name, welcome on board. Thanks for joining our organization. Thanks for joining our organization. We are pleased to inform you that your hiring manager record has been created in our HR portal for the future reference. Here are your HR record details. I want to indicate the hiring manager details over here. Hiring manager name. I would like to indicate the HR person name over here. How to indicate hiring manager dot name. Now, the contact number I want to include. Hiring manager contact number __ C. Suppose if you're feeling difficulty to prepare this image field, I will show you one shortcut option to you. Now, I want to prepare email address. Designation. Now, here I will show you how to prepare this image fields over here. If you want to type this image field, you can type, no problem. Okay, if you want to prepare through a tool, I will show you a small tool here which will prepare the image field for you. Just you can copy and paste inside your email template wherever you want. Done with this? Done? Now, so let's see how to prepare the image field. Let me show you the tool. Just look into the tool here so that you can prepare by your own. In order to go to that image field tool, just you can go to that email templates, go to this email templates, click on new template button, select any one of the template type, whatever you want, no issues. By default, text type has been selected here. Click on next. Here we have a small tool. This is the tool here. This is the tool. In this tool, we are having three controls are available. First one, a pick list. Second one, a pick list. Third one, a text box. The first pick list control will be populating all the objects available inside your Salesforce org. Inside my Salesforce organization, whatever the object names are available, all the object names are populated, including standard, including custom, all the object names are populated. Second one, from this particular first pick list, if I'm selecting the object name as, for example, some account, then in this account object, what fields are available, those fields should be populating inside the second pick list control. Okay. Second pick list control is going to be populating the fields available inside this object which we have selected over here. Now, suppose whenever I'm selecting a field from the second pick list control, then it will prepare the major field, it will place into your text box automatically here. Okay, simple concept here. I want to prepare the major fields related to hiring manager object. Just you can select the object name as hiring manager. Hiring manager. Now, in this hiring manager object, what fields are available, it will populate here. These are all other fields over here. Contact number, current CTC, designation, email address, employment type, location, everything. Now I want to prepare the major field of what? Email address. How to prepare? Just you can select the field as email address. Whenever I'm selecting this email address, major field has been prepared, it has been selected automatically here. Just you can copy, you can paste it. We no need to prepare. If you are preparing, then fine. If you are feeling difficulty, then go to this option, you can use this. Now, I'm selecting this designation. Major field has been prepared. Copy and paste. Current CTC. I'm selecting this field current CTC. Copy that major field, paste it. Employment type. Select the major field, employment type, copy and then paste. Location name. Select the major field, that is location. Now major field has been prepared, we can copy and paste. Okay. If you know the field names, directly you can prepare this major fields manually by typing it. Or else, if you're feeling difficulty to prepare this major field, then we can go with this option. Okay, both the options I showed you, whatever the way you feel comfortable, we can use it here. Okay. Now, next one, the remaining content here. Now, please contact on the below address if any queries. Please contact on the below address if any queries. This is a system generated email, so please do not reply. I'm indicating thanks and regards, HR department, Samdell Incorporation. Contact us +1 800 676 2290. Email us hr@samdell.com and visit us http www.samdell.com. Okay, this is how they are going to be including, okay, your details inside your bank transaction notifications. It may be movie ticket reservation also, travel ticket reservation also. Whenever we are making the payment of any utility bills also, whatever the notifications you are receiving, okay, all the notifications they're preparing with the help of this energy fields only. But just the format which they are going to send, they are going to be preparing dynamically here.
Excuse me, Feroz. The last use case you prepared plain text, right?
Yes.
In that text, last two lines in the same example, this one is also the email as some email ID and visit as some website name, right? That would be in blue color. But
Right,
in
because
plain
these are
text,
like as
you
a
should.
HTML.
Uh,
No, no, see, this will be like as this is like as a website name, right? It will show like as a website name, email address will be visible in blue color format only.
okay, in plain text talks also.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Feroz.
Done with this? Now, let me prepare this email template now. So this is the subject and the content in order to make that content dynamic. Still, we are using plain text only. Okay, in the plain text, we are discussing two scenarios. First one, static subject and static content that we are already done. Now we are using dynamic subject and the content. Now, go to your email template, specify that folder name, select the checkbox available for use. I'm giving this email template name, new hiring manager onboarding notification template. New hiring manager onboarding notification template here. Now the description also I'm giving the same. Okay, description also I'm giving the same. Specify the subject and the content. Whatever the subject and the content we have prepared, I want to place the subject and content. This is the email subject. Let me place it here. Second one, email content. This is the email content. Let me do the required alignments. Now, so this is the email content. So we have specified the email subject and the content both. Now click on save button. As soon as once you click on save button, now my email template has been prepared. Excuse me. My email template is ready. Clear? Now, let me test it. How can we test? Now let me show you. Click on send a test and verify Medji fields button. Click on send a test and verify Medji fields button. Select the checkbox send email preview to, give the email ID here to whom you want to send the email notification here. Now here we have to do one small option here. Just you can go to related to record pick list control to select that object name, because in this record what we are including a record content. What record content? Hiring manager record content. So we have to select that. Excuse me. We have to select that object name. Which object content you would like to include we have to select the subject name. In this subject, I'm having some hundreds of records may be available. So in that case, which record content you want me to include? So we have to select the record name by using lookup control here. Now let's see. Select the object name as hiring manager. Select any one of the hiring manager record. Click on the lookup icon. It will populate whatever the hiring manager records available inside my object here. Now I'm selecting some record name as some Sandeep Kumar over here. Now click on select that record over here, any of the record. Now click on OK button. So in this case, what it will do, upon sending the email notification, it will go to the Sandeep Kumar's hiring manager record. It will collect the details. Those details are including inside my email template message fields. It will send the notification automatically. Now click on OK button. Now it will send the email notification automatically here. Let me check my emails. You will be receiving the email notifications also from Salesforce. I have received the email notification over here. Congratulations, Sandeep Kumar. Whatever the record name that we have selected, that record name has been included over here. Congratulations, Sandeep Kumar. Welcome on board. It is indicating, dear Sandeep Kumar, welcome on board. Thanks for joining our organization. Here are your hiring manager details. Whatever the hiring manager name that we have specified, the name also populated, contact number also populated, email ID, designation, CTC, employment type, and the location name, everything has been populated automatically by default over here. So not only sending the static subject and the static content, we can able to make the functionality dynamic here. Clear? Now, for example, I will test with a different record now. I'm going to that send a test and verify message fields button now. Now I'm giving the email ID. Select the checkbox. Select the object name as hiring manager. Now this time I will select one different record over here. I'm selecting the record name as some Vijay Kumar. Any of the record, whatever you want, you can select. I'm selecting like a some Vijay Kumar. Click on OK button. It will include the Vijay Kumar record details in the email template. It will send the notification. We have received the email notification. Congratulations, Vijay Kumar. Welcome on board. It is indicating the Vijay Kumar record details also automatically by default. So whatever the record that we are performing or operating right now, the current record details it will collect. It will place that record details inside the message field. It will send the email notification here. Okay, understood the concept here now. So this is how we can send the email notifications to the people with the plain text format of email template with the static subject and static content with the dynamic subject and dynamic content also here by using message fields. Okay, understood the concept here? Now, this is the first one. Second type of email template is how to send the email notifications by making this content look like attractive. Like for example, assume that I have received some email notifications also from Axis Bank yesterday here. Now I have received some email notifications over here. So now yesterday I went to that a shopping mall to purchase some items over here. So now I have purchased some items of cost over here. So regarding that, okay, I'm receiving that email notification from the Axis Bank people. So it is clearly indicating this. Upon sending this email notification, now tell me, do we have only plain text format of subject and content over here? No. Now the content is looking like a bit attractive here. They're including a header, letterhead. We have this, okay, header part. This is the header part that we have. So which is indicating this is from Axis Bank. And then we are having this, the date and details also here. So whatever the transaction that I have done, the whole details are getting visible to me over here. Now in this case here, along with that we are having that footer part also. Instead of sending the content in the form of plain text format, I would like to make the content look like attractive also. So in this kind of situation, In order to make the content look like attractive like this, then we have to prepare this letterhead first. Then how to prepare these letterheads? Okay, we'll see in the next sessions here. In Salesforce, how to prepare the letterhead? Through the letterhead, how can we send the email notification to the people? How to make the email subject and the content look like attractive? We'll see with the practical use case as well here. Okay, these two we will be discussing as part of email templates. Remaining two are not required over here. That means in the remaining two, custom type will be required some HTML tags, and the last one requires Visual Force programming that is purely related to development part over here. Okay, now clear? Now, as of now, we are preparing the email template over here, madam. 2 more minutes. Okay, now. So now here we are preparing email templates right now with the required subject and the content. But as of now, just we are sending the email by using send it, test and verify merge fields button. Manually, we are sending to the required email ID here. Then how to make these things automated? That means whenever I'm doing bank transaction, once the money has been deposited or withdrawal, immediately we are getting the notification. Like the similar way, whenever I'm creating a record or whenever we are updating the record, immediately I should receive the email notifications also. Then how to send the email notifications automatically? Without sending it manually, just we will create a record, that's it. Once my record has been created, Salesforce has to send the email notification to the people with the required subject and the content automatically. For that one, we have to use a feature called as automation rules. As part of automation rules, we have three features are available in Salesforce. First one, workflow rules. Second one, process builder. Third one, lightning flows. This is also called as a flow builder. These are the three features. From these three, first two are already deprecated. Workflow is no more. Salesforce is already deprecated. Process builder also deprecating with Salesforce from 2023. From this year onwards, no process builder concept. The replacement is flow, lightning flows. Lightning flows is the advanced feature from Salesforce here. So which is used to automate so many development related tasks also. Then how can we make those things automated through lightning flows? We'll see on the weekends. Next weekend, and then after that, one more weekend. Okay, that will be on 23 and the 24, and then 30 and 31st. Okay, so 4 days. I would like to spend 4 days of time completely on automation rules. I will give you the complete overview of workflow and the process builder. What are the limitations in that, and how to use lightning flows? What type of flows are available? What is screen flow? What is auto launched flow? In auto launched flow, again we have four types are available here. Recorded triggered flow and the scheduled triggered flow. We are having that auto launched flow with no trigger also here. Multiple types are available. What is each and every type? We'll see practically as part of this flows topic over here, because that is advanced features over here. Okay, don't miss these features. So now we are spending the time on weekends to discuss on these automation tools. On the weekdays, we are having regular sessions. Normal topics will be continued as it is. Okay, so please plan accordingly. We don't have that holidays till 31st of this month. Okay, we'll be having the holiday on the day of New Year. That will be first of January. Okay, on 25th also we don't have the holiday. Okay, Christmas we don't have the holiday. Okay, now if you want the holiday, then let me know. Okay, we'll plan accordingly here. You don't want? Okay, fine. Now, because for Christmas we'll be having only one day holiday here, because most of the people won't go to their hometowns for one day. So maybe for New Year they may be planning here. After that, next month we are having some holidays. Okay, next month we are having the holidays over there, so that if anybody wants to do the plan, okay, then you can make a plan over there. Till January 11th, we'll be having the classroom sessions. January 11th here. I will come to that part. Okay, now let me explain. Now till 11th we are having classroom session. Okay, so now on 12th we are having online session, only one day online session, and from 13th to Okay, 18th we have the holidays. Okay, 13th to 18th we are having the holidays over here. 19, 20 also online sessions. Okay, classroom session will be again on 22nd. Okay, so now so that your base standard you can plan accordingly. Might be so many people may be having some vacation plan to go to their hometown, so that you can reserve the tickets also accordingly. So now till 11th we are having the classroom. 12th will be an online session over here, and then 18th and 19th, so 19th and 20 also online sessions. Okay, we have the holidays from 13th to 18th will be the holidays. Okay, now so that you can plan accordingly. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow we are having the sessions normal timing. So